Take me back, I don't belong here. Notions preconceived, I gave them something more to ponder. Speaking what I see, and that prophecy is eloquent. Wings up like they necessary, living like I'm legendary. Fly with it, opened up your mind with it. Double-headed monster, hold your head and cry with it. Observe, the voice is the siren's deadly feature, but my voice evokes reality, controls the lotus eaters consume. And they dance, but their soul is growing weaker, drifting from their bodies, and without they simply creatures. Spirits on the tip of the tongue, they simply people, cause perception got them caught up, ignorant to something deeper. She cried out, I never want to leave, cause I think I fell in love with a facade they won't believe. And the slowest that euphoric killed the monster in my sleep. She was gorgeous, pulled me closer, whispered death is all I see. Run, and I'm never looking back. No, I said I'm never looking back. See, your heart was full of gold, but our eyes are full of black. The Lord is Lord, the Lord is Lord. And I'm never looking back. No, I said I'm never looking back. See, your heart was full of gold, but our eyes are full of black. The Lord is Lord, Lord is Lord. I can see them dancing in the wind. The reality is pain the moment I fail to pretend, but within I hope she knows me. Ecstasy consumes her slowly. If I love it will restore me, but love is not that easy. See, that can bash the evil, come forth, I'm going deeper. There's a wolf among the sheep, a non-believer in the people. There's a lotus, so pick your poison. What I feel is deep. See, the black was in our eyes, it's either truth or non-believe. Look, life is just a metaphor for floating while you sleep. So emotions that were broken spill from her lips and come to life within my dreams. Can't you see what I've become? A salvation in the darkness and a hope when there was none. She cried out, I feel it when I breathe, I can see it in my visions, I can hear it when I speak, I can taste it on my tongue, and if you see it you would know. See, her life was void of feeling as the lotus took her soul. Run, and I'm never looking back. No, I said I'm never looking back. See, your heart was full of gold, but our eyes are full of black. The Lord is Lord, Lord is Lord.